Clinical officers play a critical role in healthcare systems worldwide. They are often the backbone of primary care, particularly in areas with limited access to physicians. They bridge the gap between patients and specialized care. Their contributions are immense, yet they often work in challenging conditions with limited resources. They face heavy workloads, geographical isolation, and a constant need to update their knowledge and skills. Despite these challenges, clinical officers remain dedicated to their patients. They are driven by a desire to make a difference in people's lives. They are problem solvers, innovators, and advocates for their communities. Clinical Officers Cite Live, COSL, recognizes the unique challenges and triumphs of clinical officers. It is built on a deep understanding of their needs and aspirations. It is a platform designed by clinical officers for clinical officers. It is a space where their voices can be heard, their skills can be honed, and their contributions can be celebrated. Clinical Officers Cite Live, CAOSL, is a centralized platform that provides clinical officers with a wealth of resources. It is a one-stop shop for all things related to their profession. The platform is structured around three key pillars: best practice guidelines, educational modules, and job connections. These pillars are designed to empower clinical officers at every stage of their careers, from recent graduates to seasoned professionals. Best practice guidelines provide clinical officers with up-to-date information on the latest medical advancements and treatment protocols. These guidelines are curated by experts in their respective fields, ensuring that clinical officers have access to the most reliable and relevant information. Educational modules offer a wide range of learning opportunities, from short courses to comprehensive training programs. These modules cover a variety of topics, allowing clinical officers to expand their knowledge base and acquire new skills. Job connections provide a platform for clinical officers to find employment opportunities that align with their career goals. They can connect with potential employers, explore job postings, and access career guidance resources. Knowledge is power, particularly in the ever-evolving field of healthcare. Clinical Officers Cite Live, COSL, empowers clinical officers by providing them with access to the latest medical knowledge and best practices. The platform's best practice guidelines are a valuable resource for staying abreast of new developments in diagnosis, treatment, and disease management. These guidelines are constantly updated to reflect the latest evidence-based research, ensuring that clinical officers have access to the most current information. The educational modules offered by Clinical Officers Cite Live, COSL, are another avenue for knowledge acquisition. These modules cover a wide range of topics from basic medical sciences to specialized clinical skills. They are designed to be interactive and engaging, making learning both effective and enjoyable. Clinical officers can choose modules that align with their interests and career goals, allowing them to customize their learning experience. Whether they are seeking to expand their knowledge base or acquire new skills, Clinical Officers Cite Live provides them with the tools they need to stay ahead of the curve. Clinical Officers Cite Live recognizes that connecting talented clinical officers with the right opportunities is essential for their career growth. The platform's Job Connections feature provides a seamless way for clinical officers to find employment opportunities that match their skills and aspirations. They can browse job postings from a variety of healthcare organizations, both locally and internationally. They can create professional profiles that highlight their qualifications and experience, making them visible to potential employers. Clinical Officers Cite Live also provides career guidance resources to help clinical officers navigate the job market. They can access articles and videos that offer tips on resume writing, interview skills, and career planning. They can connect with career mentors who can provide personalized guidance and support. By connecting clinical officers with opportunities that align with their career goals, Clinical Officers Cite Live helps them reach their full potential and make a lasting impact on healthcare. Clinical Officers Cite Live is more than just a platform. It is a catalyst for transformation. It is transforming the careers of clinical officers by providing them with the tools and resources they need to excel in their profession. It is transforming the lives of patients by empowering clinical officers to deliver the highest quality care. It is transforming the healthcare landscape by creating a more connected and informed global community of clinical officers. The impact of Clinical Officers Site Live is evident in the success stories of countless clinical officers who have benefited from the platform. They have used Clinical Officers Site Live to stay up to date with the latest medical knowledge, enhance their skills, and advance their careers. They have connected with colleagues from around the world, sharing experiences and best practices. They have become leaders in their communities, advocating for better healthcare and making a tangible difference in people's lives. Clinical Officers Site Live is not just a platform, it is a movement. It is a movement that is empowering clinical officers to transform healthcare and create a healthier future for all. Call us Clinical Officers Site Live using abbreviation COFST, thus we are COSL.